Evie. Hello, Lily. Hello, Queen. Molly. Kaylee. Karen and Arthur. Trying very hard to keep them out. I've had to put a carabiner on here so that Madam, Mummy, can have some peace. It's alright, darling. It's alright. I've finally got her in the bed. We've got a squeaker. I bet you it's a boy. Oh, you didn't have to come out, darling. You're going to come out and say hello to everybody. Hang on, let me sort out the babies. Put them under the blanket. She had cheese sauce. Lactose free, of course. And some meat. You okay, little ones? Come on, fat bellies. Over in the warm bit with your brothers and sisters. We've all got fat bellies. There you go, it's warmer under there. I got a heat mat under here. And a hot water bottle there. Hiding. There they are. I like to keep them covered because it keeps the warm air in. And they like to snuggle. Do you want to go out, Ashley? Mummy gave you a wash, didn't I? Missed a bit though, by the looks of it. Well, what a day. So we've got 5 puppies, 2 girls, no, 3 girls and 2 boys. And one had a bleeding umbilical cord, so I had to sort that out. They're much better if you just rip them instead of cutting them. They don't tend to bleed that much then. We're going to go a little run out in the garden, but you can see she's fine. Apart from being messy, I'll clean her up again. I don't know how I'm going to open the gate with only one hand, so we have to go and have a wee up the garden with everybody. Bye.